cups of melted butter, and I add 4 tablespoons of vegetable oil. I use this one because that's all I have available home right now. And I now add 2 cups of brown sugar and 2 cups of white sugar. And I add 4 teaspoons of vanilla essence, and now I'm going to add 8 eggs. And now is where the mixer going to come in. So you're going to put it. So you're going to use the highest speed and beat this until it become kind of whitish or cream. I will show you. So let me start. So this is the color you will want it to be, and to this I'm going to add, this is what it will look like, and I just add a teaspoon of coffee to this. It's going to mix back. So here I have the dry ingredients. I have 2 cups of flour and 2 cups of cocoa powder, and I sift the 2, and I add 2 teaspoons of salt to that, and I'm going to add that to the wet mixture. Not adding all together, I'm just adding part by part and mix. So this is how your brownie will look, and to this I'm going to add some chocolate chip. The recipe calls for 3 cups, and you can keep back some for the top. Let's mix it up. So I place them in a baking tray, and I'm going to put it to bake. So this is the finished brownie, and I did some for my kids with some hard sprinkle, and look at the inside, how nice and gooey it is. And you see guys, easy brownie.